Today we're gonna go riding with some folks from overseas again, old PEI, Prince Edward Island. Think we might possibly go Shediac, Skadook, Memramcook loop. Maybe we just go right to Memramcook. I don't know. One thing is sure though, I'm gonna hit up Fern's food truck, the Saber Zone. The food there is amazing. Enjoy today's video. I better take a video now of all the snow in case it goes away. There's ruts here everywhere and they're just full of snow. They're not smooth at all. And they're frozen. I think the water holes are all frozen. I think it was until it wasn't. Okay, note to self, water holes are still not froze. I don't understand how. It's been cold for days. I got my Grinch gloves on.
I can tell that with the breeze.
They're actually pretty warm. Barely got across that. This one's not froze, I can already tell. Look at it. Must be to do with the sun, because there's no way that shouldn't be frozen. Oh, Jesus. Look, the snow's already getting less. It was completely covered back there. Now up there, it's totally brown. Let's take the Pussy Go Around trail. Just because I don't want to break through the ice. The Pussycat Trail. Our rear suspension is sort of like our brakes were non-existent. Just gonna have to bite the bullet and do it. Oh, they got a Pussy Go Around trail too? Oh, they do. Pussycat Trail. Woo! Meow! Meow like an Arctic cat. Oh my God, look at it. I don't think there's a single smooth spot on the road. Oh my God. Running into Black's Lake for a minute. The best thing to do here is bump it. No, I try to put that cut down the middle. Oh yeah, this is last night, like you said. Can you just... We're breaking the ice. Call me the icebreaker. Hopefully they don't puncture a tire, yeah. The 10-ply, they should be good for this. If they're not good for this, what the fuck are they good for? They should be able to drive across the bed of nails and razor blades. Ooh, it's not very thick, look. It's thick enough.
Mitchell!
There's water coming out. Found them. You get lost or what? Once you saw the trail, it's probably super obvious, eh?
Yeah.
It's like, oh, it's right there, fuck.
Surprised there's no snow.
My place, there's like all kinds of snow. Like,
Yeah, we got the PI, it's full of snow.
yeah, there's no fucking snow here, it's just dust. Should be easier going now that we broke it open. It's dusty.
Holy fuck.
Look at the ice. That's what's clicking. There's a bolt loose. There's a bolt loose there. Bump. But he lost his gas can.
The other way though.
He wasn't really worried about it though. It's just a shitty little gas can.
Well, still.
Probably full. It was only a 5-liter can, like a small one. I don't hear that clunking anymore. Just a loose bolt. I turned the nut quite a few times. It's one of the bolts that holds the roll cage to the frame. going? I think I might have left a black mark. Do you blame me? Somewhere on the Memramcook group it said near Woodstock Road the trail was, they were construction on the trail. I wonder if this was it. Woodstock Road. This must have been new. Coming? This looks frozen. I can't wait for froze ice to do some donuts. Looks like people are driving over the stumps. Someone's already been through here today. This already broke open. Yeah, we're stopping here. I gotta pee.
The song keeps.
Is there still dust?
Holy fucking dust. Holy fucking dust.
Yeah, that's what it's like.
Dust bath here.
You can't get away from the dust. This is what they call the Pit of Mac shelter.
Smaller.
There's no fire on though. I'm just gonna make one on real quick before we buzz out of here for the next guy. Just wait, we need to find some kindling. That went by. There's a hole there! I don't know how deep it was over here, so I was concerned.
I'm thinking it's pretty deep.
I think it might be deep over here. Over there is good, but here's not.
When I was out there doing my little spins, I was thinking, wait a minute, this is probably pretty fucking deep way out there.
I didn't know over there.
What?
I didn't know about over there.
Over there, but that's pretty deep over there.
I did. Don't go over there. It's not thick enough for these things. No. Don't go over there. Here, those ones are fine. These ones are over here is fine, but over there's not. I saw you guys pulling. I said, wait, that's Matt and Natalie.
Yeah.
Not used to the new machine yet.
Yeah.
Where are you guys going?
Now we're just going to meet some people at LAC.
That's where we're heading, Lac.
All right, well, going LAC with Carrie.
Yeah, we're heading to the Lac. In a roundabout way is where we're going.
Yeah.
I want to get some food.
Yeah.
I can't wait to have a good poutine.
Probably a lot of people there.
4 more coming. A crook in that tree. Oh, they filled all this in too. Maybe I knew that part. I was expecting that. You guys got an Armax. What's going on over there? Look at the water here. Real low. Another one right here. Another one right here.
The food truck.
$700. What's up?
That's that little diesel thing, huh?
Yeah. It's nice. I'm not wearing gloves or anything, so.
Perfect temperature, eh, Mitch?
It was cold this morning.
When you first left?
I'm telling you, the ice isn't froze everywhere, though.
No. Broke some chunks? How thick is it?
Not for a side-by-side.
Not enough for a side.
Most of them. Most of them are about four-wheeler strong. Lucky it wasn't deep. It was only that deep, like lucky. Thank you for all the stickers. Here you go, bud. Hand them out. It does look pretty there, you're right. I wish we could open our windows and see what it looked like. There's a big ice dam there. We haven't come across one tree on the trail today. Well, the storm, the high winds was in the middle of the week, and here we are on Saturday. This is not rough if you sort of pick your wheel track. So, it's not too bad if you can drive in the middle if you can see that nobody's coming. But when you can't see, you gotta move over, or else you can run into. We're gonna come across a lot of this. I didn't bring my saw. I forgot it at home. I'll see if I can just get it and swing it out of the way. I'm pretty strong. I'm pretty strong. I think I can just pull it out of the way. Oh, I think I can get around it. No problem. Oh, I can get around that. Someone else might not be able to. Yeah. Someone else with a less capable machine might not be able to get around this. A Yamaha or a Polaris or something. Nathan might want to go for a drive. I'll clear the way for them. Here we go. Anyways, it's still an obstacle, but oh, we're here. I don't think we can do much with that. Well, there's vehicle tracks here. What do you do? Drive over it?
Yep. There and back.
I should have brought my chainsaw. Someone's got the tip off that one.
Down there.
Look here.
Oh, yeah, fine.
Oh, oh, oh.
Your work's gonna want to know about that, won't they? That one's kind of high, bitch.
trees down.
Build it.
Nobody's been going over this one. So I wouldn't.
You wouldn't, doesn't mean I wouldn't. I hit that one a little high.
The next day.